Hi everybody, it's Paul from Pool Supplies Canada here. Going to speak to you today about the new SwimClear 150 cartridge filter. Obviously with pools there's two types of filtration available, cartridge and of course the traditional sand filter. Cartridge filters have a few significant advantages over traditional sand. One being they're going to filter down to a much smaller, finer particulate in the pool, so your water will look much clearer. And they're also going to be quite a bit easier to clean and maintain, and you'll consume less water, save chemicals, and also reduce your heating costs. So this model right here is the SwimClear 150, and we're just going to take you through a quick demonstration of this filter here. So on one side here you've got your inlet side for your pump, so the line leaving the pump will go direct right into this filter here, connected easily with the included union pack that Hayward provided. And then on the opposite side, you'll attach the same union kit, and that will leave to take you to either your chlorinator or heater, or just straight back to the pool if you have no other equipment. When it comes to cartridge filters, the one aspect of maintenance that you do need to look after is the cartridge that's down inside of here. In order to access that, when you do need to give it a rinse and clean, you should do it about every 2 weeks minimum, and then as well you should probably try and soak and clean it once or twice a pool season in a filter cleaner degreaser. So to gain access inside this unit, one of the huge advantages that Hayward's designed into this is a quick release handle. Most other filters you have to really wrestle with the band clamp on the center. This one has a nice handle here, quickly releases the tension on the tank. You can then just twist the band around the center here and then lift the lid directly right off the filter. This will give you access inside to the cartridge itself. You'll remove this out as I recommended. You should rinse it down every couple of weeks, minimum once a month, and at least soak and clean it a couple times a season. If you do that, you should get anywhere from 3 to 5 years typically out of the cartridge. Once you're finished doing your cleaning or rinsing, again, repeat the same process. Tank goes back on top. Tighten down the clamp. And you're ready to turn your recirculation system back on again. If you have any other questions, please feel free to give us a call at Pool Supplies Canada.